So you want to know how to prank. Today I'm with Steve-O and Preston Lacey, and we're going to show you a classic alligator lake prank. So what you're going to need is an alligator head that floats in the water, and then turn it upside down, and we got a little speedboat. You get it at the hobby shop. Don't go cheap on the speedboats, otherwise it won't work very well. So if you go to the hobby shop, he recommended us to get this boat to run this alligator. Okay, so first we got a little screw with the hook here, and we're going to screw it into the bottom of the alligator head.
The best thing about this prank is that it's so cold. Anybody who believes that there's an alligator in this weather is just plain dumb.
Take some fishing line, feed it through the hook, and tie it off. Okay, set it up to where you don't give it too much slack, so that's about how much space we're giving it.
You got a nice bald head.
Matches my nutsack. I was anticipating my head. Oh my God, it's a marker. It was! Fuck! Alright, perfect. Okay, so there you go. Boom, so it's attached like this, but underwater it'll float right there, and there's not enough slack in the fishing line to get caught in the propeller. So you're just gonna let it drive, scare the crap out of people. Real simple, let's go test it out.
Give it a little test run?
Yeah, you wanna drive it?
Sure, man.
Let's do it. Let's go, come on down.
Anybody want to do this? Oh my God.
I don't even know how the heck that's even here. I don't know, it's over here at Antrim Park. There's a freaking alligator in the lake.
Wow. Yes.
Yeah, what the heck? There's another one right there.
That's not even cool.
Right there, did you see it? It just popped over. Stop. It was just right there by those bushes, right there.
That's real though.
No, it's fake.
What?
Yeah, I got a boat under there. It's pulling it around.
You're killing me.
How the heck is a gator alive in Ohio in March?
I don't know, that's crazy.
I'm not going swimming today. We saw them in Florida and they told us they could eat us. Yeah.
What the hell? Is that even supposed to be in here, is it?
I've never seen an alligator up here.
I don't know, someone must have like had a pet and probably just got rid of it.
Wow.
Yeah, there's an alligator right there.
You go in that water, that alligator will get you. You don't even want to go close to it.
I will kick it in the face.
Yeah, I like that.
Nice.
Strong boy.
Someone must have released it.
Yeah, someone must have released it. I wonder what kind of alligator. I'm gonna get a closer picture of it. Let me see it.
Oh, I'll be damned.
We got you, didn't we? What were you thinking?
I'll be damned.
What were you thinking?
I don't know, when you reached down there, I said, I hope that gator doesn't get him. That's pretty neat.
You're gonna have to get your eyes checked, old timer.
Right.
That was a good one, huh?
Next time I see a gator, I'll know who released it.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Kick in the face, like you said. Kick him. All right. All right, guys, let us know what you thought about this prank in the comments below. Make sure you check out Steve-O's comedy special,
Guilty as charged.
and subscribe to his channel, and hop over to Twitter and Instagram and follow Preston Lacey, the myth, the legend. Live inspired, shock the world. We'll see you next time.
You know you got a problem when your interventionist is Johnny Knoxville. This is where we make television history.
Steve-O, Guilty as Charged, premieres Friday, March 18th on Showtime.
Nice. So y'all want to make sure you have charged batteries and backups. They say you got 20 minutes on these batteries. We'll do 15 on the next round.